I'm going to show you how to install Ipevo Visualizer, which is document camera software that works with the new Ipevo document cameras as well as a few of the older ones. So to start with, the easiest way to do this is just to go ahead and Google Ipevo Visualizer. The first thing that comes up is the Ipevo Visualizer. When you click on that site, you'll get the link to download it for free. A lot of different versions, but you want the Chrome one. When you go there, it takes you to the Chrome Web Store, and you're going to simply say Add to Chrome, and then Add App. It adds it pretty quickly. Once it's added, you can right-click on it and click Create Shortcut and choose to put one on the desktop. That's usually the route I go. That makes it easier to get to it. And that's it. That's installed and ready to go. Thank you.